One of the things you can do also is under the reminders, under reported problems, if I want to turn this into a work order, I can just click generate work order here. And what it will do, I'm going to say I want to create a new work order. Notice it brings up that particular, that bus, and I can then type in the current meter, and then I can assign this to a technician. And under reported problems here, you'll notice it's telling me that the left front blinker is not working. So I click on reported problems, and there it is. This is that problem right there. So I can add that to the work order, and it will show up on my work order here. And when I double click, I can say, okay, here's a miscellaneous repair. I can put any notes in, like maybe I'll say fixed blinker. I can put in some more detailed notes in here. Also, if I click on the notes field here, you'll notice that it'll tell me, it'll automatically bring in the that it was a reported problem, and it'll log the date that that problem was reported, the employee that reported it, the odometer reading it was reported, and then the notes that it was reported on. So I can have that information all right within the work order as well. So that's kind of nice. And so I've got this work order. I fixed the blinker, and let me say there were no parts, but I could have added some more parts on there as well. And I'm going to click OK. And notice when I do that, so that way I always will know these are all the problems that need to be addressed. This is important. There's a lot of things that, if you don't have a system like this in place, a lot of things slip through the cracks. Like a driver will report something, and they'll put it on a piece of paper, and it'll get lost, and it never gets reported, and the driver's like, well, I reported it. Well, this way you can document everything in a system, and every time you do a work order, it'll warn you that that problem is there. And that really helps with the safety of the buses, and also, so like again, so things don't slip through the cracks. If you use a system like Zonar or On-Command Connection, or maybe Synovia, you can also log in with their DVIR packages. If you purchase our GPS interface, it will automatically bring in any failed inspections, and those will automatically come in here, which is really very efficient. And then you can knock those all out when you get the reported problems.